excited because I thought I would have been the mukbang.
Everyone thinks that Eben is Molly's son, but it's actually my
What? Yeah, Daddy.
What do you enjoy at school then? What is 1 plus 1? Eddie, what's 1 plus 1?
1 plus 2 equals... Hi, Uncle!
Yeah.
Looks like someone farted the whole house.
Amaziah,
Yeah?
are you farting down there?
What? What's up, SB Squad? And we're back with another mukbang.
Don't care, still don't care.
Okay, guys. So let me just put these aside. These were just for decor. So today I've got my nieces and nephews with me. One from every sibling of mine. So we got the eldest here.
Hi, my name's Gabriella, and you can call me Ella.
Ooh.
Hi, my name's Amaziah, and you can call me Amy or Angry Koala.
That's pretty funny. Okay. Yeah. So we went from eldest to youngest. So.
Hello, SB Squad. My name is Evan Hayes, and you can also call me Edash.
Aww.
My name is Eddie, and you can call me Samoa.
No, that's not what you meant to say.
My name is Eddie, and I like Samoa.
Aww. Okay, so today we got some burgers. Does anyone know where we got these burgers from?
We got them from Oportos. No,
Evan, where did we get them from?
Oportos. I put in my hand up first.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter. Please bear with us with this mukbang. I mean, with their kids, they all like to talk at once. Okay, so everyone gets a plate. And, okay, so let's leave the... Do you like tomatoes?
Yes.
Do you or not? No, you get the big one. You get the... Is that the big one?
I want the burger.
No, you get the big one. So the older ones get the big one.
Yay!
And the younger ones get the smaller ones.
Can I have the burger? No, can I have nuggets and chips?
Yeah, you can. Don't take too many. You have to share with everyone.
I'll just take 2 nuggets.
Yeah. Eddie, there's your nuggets.
2.
Yeah. Ella, get your chips.
This much chips.
Okay. Well, dig in, guys. There's some sauce here. If you like sauce.
I like sauce.
Do you? Okay, so before I started this mukbang, I asked them what to think of what something that they're going to be talking about, and you guys said that you already had your ideas ready. So who wants to go first about what they wanted to talk about today? Okay, we'll start with the oldest.
I was so excited that we were gonna do a mukbang last night. I was so crazy, and I was still happy last night. And I was waiting for my auntie, and I was so excited because I thought I would have been the mukbang.
Aww. I promised you guys that I'd been mukbang. Also, some of you guys always confuse my nephews and like whose they are. So Ella is the oldest out of the kids here, and so she's my brother Sila's daughter. And then Eben, everyone thinks that Eben is Molly's son, but it's actually my eldest sister's son, Sia. So, oh, actually, I'll just get them to introduce their parents. What's your mum and dad's name?
Lena and Tila.
Yep. What's your mum and dad's name?
Like what do I mean, like what my friends call my mom and dad. Auntie and Prophet.
Okay. What's your mum and dad's name?
Mom.
What's your mum and dad's name?
Uelese and England.
Yeah. Ella's down. She's been staying with us for the school holidays, but she'll be going back soon, so we're very privileged to have spent some time with her. And guys, even though I didn't really get to spend much time with her growing up in her upbringing, because she grew up in Brisbane, I'm so glad that she was able to watch our vlogs because she knows who we are. Like, we didn't grow up with her. We didn't get to, like, you know, see her milestones as a child. that she knows who we are and she appreciates us, and we appreciate that so much. So we love you, Ella. Okay, so Amaziah, you were next. What did you want to talk about?
The school holidays.
Okay, what are you going to talk about the school holidays?
Yo, can I look your fingers? I get to have sleepovers at Mum and Papa's house sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
And I get to play the game at home.
So what do you like to do there at Nan and Papa's house?
I like to play all the kids and play with Darnell.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes Darnell lets me play his game. And I get to jump on the trampoline. What's Ossie doing?
He's cleaning up the garage.
I'm thirsty.
You can drink after you eat your food. Okay, so Eben, you're next. What did you want to talk about with everyone?
I need to put the chicken in.
No, you need to tell us what you're going to talk about first.
I'm going to tell you guys something.
Okay.
You know why some tigers can... You know why some lions can be grown-up tigers?
Mm-hmm.
Because they have powerful muscles.
Wait, you mean some lions can be grown-up tigers?
No, I said some lions can beat up grown-up tigers. Because they have powerful muscles, sharp claws, and powerful legs to run fast.
Oh, that's some nice information. Does anyone else have any more information?
Sarah.
What do you have?
They have sharp teeth and sharp canines.
No, a different kind of information, not the same one. You can
I do
you want
about...
another burger? Yeah. Oh, Eddie, did you want to say something?
I'm a liar, just talked a crazy thing.
What about, you remember you said something about the Samoan dance? What do you want to help them with?
With practicing this.
Practicing?
With like dance.
Oh, you want to practice with them Samoan dance? Do you want to show us how does your dad dance the Samoan dance? Yep. Later?
He means
Okay.
after.
How's everyone enjoying their food? What's the burger taste like?
It tastes like an ice cream.
Tastes like an ice block? Really? Are you sure?
No.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna have a little trivia quiz, maybe 3 questions. Obviously I'm not eating because I'm on keto, so nothing here is keto, honey. But my niece and nephews wanted to do a mukbang with me, so I thought, why not? And this video was kindly sponsored by Molly Girl. She bought our food today. So what do we say to Auntie Molly?
Thank you, Auntie Molly.
And what else?
Love you, Auntie Molly.
So yes, Molly kindly sponsored this mukbang. We're so grateful to have her in our lives. So there's that. Huh?
I don't want this.
Okay.
A nugget? Yeah, you don't have to have it. Do you like this, Eddie?
No.
It's not good. Do you want it, Ella?
This
It's
is
nugget
mine.
here.
It's okay. I don't. This is mine.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, that's yours.
I have it tomorrow.
Oh, good. Are you done, Ella?
Yeah. Not more burger.
Oh, more burger for you, Mr. Burger.
What the? Mr. Burger. You called Eddie Mr. Burger.
Yeah, so how's school? Everyone's on school holidays, aren't they?
Yeah, Daddy's boring.
Huh?
Who's boring?
Why?
Because we just have to listen to the teacher. Can I try something? Read us at lunch and it's boring.
So you don't want to listen to the teacher?
The worst thing about school is about doing the writing.
Oh, the writing.
Yeah, I don't like that.
You don't like writing? Are you too cool for school?
Oh. I just don't like writing.
Why?
It's boring.
What do you enjoy at school then?
Can I please have a drink? Lunch.
Yeah, sure.
I would
You
like
can share
to.
with Eddie.
I would like to Sprite, please. Can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
So, I love about school is when I be respectful, I always get like a special like certificate.
Oh, yeah.
I get that all the time.
Oh, that's good.
I got 5.
Eddie? Oh, let's go solar. No, you don't get to go away, buddy. You're in it for the long run. You're not just here to have a good feed and go. You got to sit here and talk and entertain.
Okay.
You sit here, okay? Okay, that was rude. We interrupted Ella. Ella?
The best thing I like about school is listening and being respectful. You know, I have a men teacher. You have a men teacher. Put your hand up. A lady teacher? Yeah, I have a lady. A lady teacher? Yeah. Well, for rotations, I have most of the ladies, and then one's a boy. One's a man. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask someone a maths question.
Yes.
What's 200 plus 300?
That's 1 billion. That's so easy.
What is it?
It's 500.
Okay, don't worry. There's more to come, Ella. There's more to come. So, what is 400 plus 400?
1 billion. 600.
Oh, not quite, darling.
500.
Almost there, almost there.
Oh, I got.
Okay.
800.
Yay! Okay, let me bring it back down. Let me bring it back down. What is 3 plus 7?
I know. Let's have 7. I think I'll give it to me.
What?
10.
Yeah. Give me 5.
Oh.
Okay, only Eddie can answer this one. Eddie? What is 1 plus 1? Eddie, what's 1 plus 1?
1 plus 2 equals.
No. 1 plus 1 equals?
20.
Oh, close. Just drop the 0, darling. Just drop the 0 off the 20.
And I'll give you a hint. It comes off the 1. Yeah, it comes off the 1. 2.
Yeah! Oh.
Can I please open that burger? Okay, what is what's not?
Okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm feeding the kids, getting them up with, the sugar, and then passing them back.
I want to tell you something really sad. I was supposed to go to Byron Bay, but the borders are closed because of the roads, so I can't go anymore. I was supposed to go to see my grandma and grandpa there.
Oh, sorry. Were you so sad about that?
I don't want to go on the plane.
Why?
My ears get blocked. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
I'm so sad. I can't see my grandpa, but they passed away. My grandpa passed away before my nana. And I can't even see them every day. My nana misses them so much.
Don't worry, you'll see them again one day.
They passed away.
Yeah, but where did they go?
In the grave down there. No,
Yeah, but
when people die, God makes people get alive because God loves people.
I like your nails, Ella.
Thank you.
Did you paint them? Show them. Did you paint them yourself?
Wait, can I go close?
Ooh, fancy. No, hey. No. Sit here. We're almost wrapping up our mukbang now, guys. Everyone's nice and full.
Yeah.
How's everyone feeling?
Good.
Aw, well, it's such a pleasure to have you guys here. Were you guys excited to be in the mukbang?
Yeah.
Who do we see at the back there? What do we say to Uncle Ossie?
Hi, Georgie boy.
Hi, Georgie boy. Hi, Georgie boy.
Hi, Georgie. Hi, Uncle.
Here.
Looks like someone farted the whole house.
Do you smell it? That smell. The smelly smell that smells. Smelly.
Amaziah,
Yeah?
are you farting down there?
Mommy,
Why?
Get away from everyone.
No, we need to get away from you. Yes, thank you, Ella. Collect all your friends out of the air, put them back in your underwear. Your friends are not welcome here.
Yes, they are. No, they're not.
Okay, guys, we're going to end our mukbang now. So one person gets to say one very short thing to everyone before we end off.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with the youngest first. Eddie, what do you want to say? You want to say a big shout out to Mum and Dad? Okay.
Hi, Mummy. Hi, Daddy.
Aww. What about your brother and sister?
Hi, Sony. Hi, let's say.
Okay, who's next? Evan? No, you have to say one little thing, whatever you want to say to them. Ending the vlog now.
One little thing. Mom and Dad are missing me.
Okay, that's what you want to say? Okay. Stop spitting. Hey, no spitting in my house. No, because you're the oldest, so it goes from youngest to oldest.
Nephew Squad, you have to subscribe to Vicky's channel, and we're trying to get 1,000 likes on this video. So make sure you like this video and click the like button. Ding ding ding.
Aww, yeah, give him 5. Okay, Ella, it's your turn before we end off.
Hi, Mom and Dad. I hope you watch me on YouTube.
Aww.
And my brothers and sisters. Bye!
Okay, guys, that's it from me and my tribe. And once again, we've got
Ella, Amazaya, Evan, Eddie,
and Victoria.
King.
SB Squad signing out.
Bye! Squad. Bye, Mrs. V. Bye, Squad. Subscribe to Vicky's channel. And I hope you guys have 100,000 likes. Give you a big thumbs up.
Aww, Evan.
And I hope you like our video. Bye.
Bye, guys.